Hello guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we completed many-to-many mapping in Hibernate and it was working fine, and we were able to save multiple objects in database through Hibernate, right? And these are the queries. You can pause this video and read out what kind of queries has been generated. I'm not going into that much detail for now. Okay, so this is done. But again, we figured out some kind not issues, but the way we were writing this code, it's not up to the mark, right? Either you can say the way we are saving the objects or the way we are getting this whole records in database, so that is kind of ugly, right? Okay, so let's run this code one more time to see what I'm talking about. So right click, run as application. I think I dropped or what, it's not here. Okay, so user table, this is here, then product table, then product table, user table, and product table, user table and product table. Okay, so four tables we got, kind of repetitive data. Both tables have mappings and table names is quite ugly. What's the use of four table, right? That's one question. And the namings of table, that we have seen even in one to many mappings, so that we also figured out. Plus the way we were saving it, like calling save method multiple times, so we will definitely cascade it, right? And so we are going to repeat the same stuffs, and let me write it down, so not a big deal. So first of all, the one big thing is the way we are saving the objects. So let's fix this first. So first, use cascading, right? Cascading in that primary table. So in our case, it's user dot java primary table or class. So that you have to fix. Next point is the customizing, right? Customizing the auto generated tables by Hibernate. And even before that, we have to reduce the fourth table. What's the use of that? So reduce the extra table, because we have repetitive data there. If you have a look, either it's product table, user table, so IDs are mapped, or if you go back to user table or product table, again IDs are mapped. So it doesn't matter which table you pick, you can see, or you can actually figure out which data is missing or which is mapped. So it's extra data and we can reduce it. So reduce, or if it is not clear, remove the extra table. So it's up to us whether we want to product table, user table, or user table, product table. So we will discuss in next video. So again, we have 3 points. So we will use cascading, remove the extra table, and then customize the auto gender table and its column names, right? So you can always customize these data table and its columns. So that we are going to do in next video. So this was just a intro, like a discussion what is missing in many-to-many mapping, what we can achieve, and how to do that. So yeah, going back to the same queries, so we got lots of queries for create table, lots of filter queries for primary mappings, primary key and foreign key mappings, then insert tables, multiple insert tables. So yeah, this is what happens when you generate or run many-to-many example in your code. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will figure out these three issues and fix them in our example. That will be short videos like we are always doing, but every video will have separate topics. So three tables we will discuss in upcoming class. Till then, stay tuned guys. Bye bye.